I'm going to show you something here that's actually no small feat, and that is to configure a Raspberry Pi device so that every login screen or section of your login is completely blacked out and you boot up directly into a single MAME ROM. A lot of people may question why you would do that, but it's basically to use the Raspberry Pi device as if it were a standalone arcade machine. So if, say, you've got a machine and you've got a busted PCB and you don't want to take the effort to fix it or send it off, or if you want a device that's more bulletproof, then this is a potential solution. So I'm going to turn on this Raspberry Pi device. You'll see nothing on the screen until the ROM itself loads. So I got to turn it on here. And then here. There you go. Just like turning on the real thing. I don't have this hooked up to any buttons yet. I just have a keyboard. So give it a coin and hit one player start. And it's live. All right, that's it.